Hi guys, today we compare Google Pixel 9 Pro versus Nokia N74 HMD. The Google Pixel 9 Pro will launched on October 2024. The price is not available. The Nokia HMD N74 will launched on December 2024. The price is $1,099. The body dimensions of Google Pixel 9 Pro: height 6.2 inch, width 2.94 inch, thickness 8.9 mm. The Nokia N74 HMD dimensions: height 6.46 inch, width 3.01 inch, thickness 8.6 mm. The weight of Nokia HMD N74 is 216 gram and the Google Pixel 9 Pro 206 gram. The build: both mobile come with front and back glass and titanium frame, and it comes with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display: Nokia N74 HMD come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 6.34 inch screen size. The Nokia N74 HMD 6.82 inches. The both mobile come with 2K screen resolution and the PPI dynasty. Nokia N74 HMD come with 510. The Google Pixel 9 Pro 522, and the both mobile come with 120Hz refresh rate. The screen to body ratio: the Nokia come with 90.1%. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 87.4% screen to body ratio. The both mobile come with Gorilla Glass Harbor 2 screen protection. The Nokia HMD N74 come with 5000 nits peak of brightness. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup: the Google Pixel 9 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto with a 5x optical zoom, and it has dual LED flash, pixel shifter, ultra HDR panorama pastics with 4K 120fps video record. The Nokia N74 HMD come with triple camera setup too. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom and 50 megapixel ultra wide with LED flash, HDR panorama, 8K 30fps video record. The selfie camera: Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 10.5 megapixel with 4K 60fps video record. The Nokia N74 HMD come with 50 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60fps video record. The platform: the Nokia N74 HMD come with octa-core Cortex X5 3.4 GHz CPU. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with Nona core with 3.98 GHz CPU with Cortex X4 and the chipset. Google Pixel 9 Pro come with Google Tensor G4 3nm. The Nokia N74 HMD come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 3nm chipset. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with the Motorola G730 1 GHz GPU. The Nokia N74 HMD come with Adreno 760, and the both mobile come with Android 15 operating system. The memory: the Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 16 gigs of RAM. The Nokia HMD N74 come with 12 gigs, 16 gigs and 24 gigs of RAM. And the internal storage: Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 128, 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. The Nokia N74 HMD come with 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The battery backup: Nokia N74 HMD come with 5400 mAh battery. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 5050 mAh battery. The Nokia N74 HMD come with 120 watt fast charging. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 30 watt fast charging, and the Nokia HMD N74 come with 65 watt wireless charging. The Google Pixel 9 Pro come with 23 watt wireless charging, and the both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and the feature of these mobile: it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC infrared port, Type C 3.2, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, IP68, water dust resistant, and SOS emergency via satellites, calls and messages. The result of these devices: the Google Pixel 9 Pro got 21 points and the Nokia N74 HMD got 25 points.